If you're working on improving your treading water technique, pay attention to this video because I'm going to go through one key aspect that will help improve how high you sit on the surface of the water. Hey swimmers, welcome back to the Swim Bites channel. I'm Coach Mandy, and today's quick tip video on treading water is on one key aspect that will help you sit up higher on the surface of the water. Now, before I get into detail, if you are new to the channel or you've been watching my content, be sure to show your support by hitting the red subscribe button below. That way you stay notified for new and exciting content weekly. One part of treading water to help you stay stable and sitting up higher is sculling. From your shoulders and your traps, stabilizing from your upper body. So here I am demonstrating repeats of practicing sculling to the side in the frontal plane and not going past it. When practicing just independently sculling, you will learn how much support you have just from sculling with your upper body versus your legs. You can see right here from the side view that I move my arms forward and back just to the shoulder line, not past that, gently supporting my body for a few seconds at a time. For those few seconds, it feels like you're gently holding and stabilizing from your upper body, and from this freeze frame right here, I have a slight bend in my elbows and my fingers are slightly together just to create some surface area to press against the water. Another point to mention during this time is my posture is elevated and heightened from the crown of my head, and that is supported from my shoulders and my traps gently in this position. When sculling, you should feel resistance on your palms and your forearm throughout the motion, going forward and back. So as you practice repeats in the pool, you will feel that full resistance, and it's just light. It's not meant to be a huge muscled effort. It's just enough to lightly support and elevate your head out of the water. Lastly, you can see here that my elbows are bent and they are in the frontal plane, meaning in front of my shoulder line. I don't need to bring them back. However, at this point, I'm sculling forward, and as I extend my arms back to that shoulder line, I open up my entire arms and keep them fully extended. As you see in this position here. So my palms are still, my fingertips are still close together. I feel the resistance from my palms. My arms are fully extended, but you can see here, my traps, my shoulders, and my neck are engaged for this time. So it's the same feeling as if you were trying to get out of the pool from your upper body, gently supporting your head a little higher. So the next time you go to the pool, you can feel this resistance forward and back. Mainly, you'll feel the resistance on your palms independently, but you'll still feel it on the entire arm itself. So go ahead and watch this through again and notice where my arms are traveling forward and back, which happens to be in front of my shoulder line or in front of the frontal plane. As you see here in this freeze frame, again, my arms and my legs are positioned in front of my body. This helps stabilize a lot easier when you are treading water, and you definitely use a lot less energy. So if you're working on treading water and you're looking to relax more, definitely prioritize this position moving forward. So to recap on this specific point, you want to feel the resistance on your arms throughout brushing your arms forward and back to the shoulder line. And continue to repeat this until you can feel it consistently and you keep your head level the entire time. So once you combine both your arms and your legs, it's much easier to stay level and keeping your head position and your body position higher on the surface of the water. And remember, even though you're moving your arms and your legs simultaneously, you still have to keep your body and your breathing relaxed. This way you can stay as efficient as possible, avoid panicking, and really taking control of when you are in the water, whether it is a shallow pool or a deep pool. You can still scull in either environment. Okay, swimmers, before I end this video, if you are serious about learning how to tread water step by step from the foundation up, hit the pinned comments below or go to swimvice.com and access the SwimVice program today. All right, swimmers, enjoy your practice, and I will see you all next week.